To enable the developer console and teleport in Euro Truck Simulator 2, you just need to edit a single config file and learn a few keybinds. Before launching the game, open your Documents folder, navigate to Euro Truck Simulator 2 and open config.cfg with Notepad. Press Ctrl and F to open a find box. Search for G_developer, change its value from 0 to 1, then search for G_console and change that value from 0 to 1 as well. Save the file and close it. Now, launch your game and hop into your truck. To use your free camera, press 0 on your top number row. You can fly around using your numpad keys. Press 8 to move forward, 5 to go backward, 4 and 6 to steer left and right, and 9 and 3 to adjust your elevation. To teleport, press the tilde key, located directly under Escape, to open the console box. Type Go To followed by a space and the city name, like Go To Brussels, then press Enter. Position your free camera low to the pavement so your truck doesn't take drop damage, then press Ctrl and F9 together to land your truck on the road. Consider subscribing if this quick tip saved your haul, and I will see you in the next one.